Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use Lonsdor K518 Pro to program 2016 Toyota RAV4 Smart Key.
Add and program Smart Key for vehicle. We need to prepare K518 Pro, the OBD lines, original vehicle key, and Lonsdor's LT20 Smart Key. Plug in the OBD. Select Special Functions. Key Settings. LT20 Smart Key Conversion. Note that this function requires internet connection. OK. Put the LT20 Smart Key in the device's card slot. OK. Select the second menu. OK. Select 8A. OK. Menu selection according to the original car key. OK. Select the third menu based on the original car key. OK. Set the key button according to the key position of the original car key. Click OK. Generate successfully. Continue to generate. Click Cancel. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. Toyota. Select from type. PEPS. Type 3. Add Smart Key. Please make sure the battery of the Smart Key is fully charged. OK. Hold a generated emulator key or workable key closer to an ignition switch. OK. OK. Hold the original car key close to the one-button start button. Buzzer beeps once. Within 30 sec to put back of the key close to car start button. OK. Turn off the ignition. Check whether the key can be used normally to confirm. Now, let's test if the key works. New key. Hit the brake. Start button. The car was successfully started. Original car key. Hit the brake. Start button. The original car key successfully started. Let's try to see if the remote control works. The new key. Lock the car. Unlock. The new key normally. Original car key. Lock car. Unlock. The original car key normally.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2016 Toyota RAV4. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.